Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, man. Today's video was just a little short video of me just reviewing my car, giving you all the mods I got on here, just breaking down everything that I got put on the car. I also got some stickers, car stickers. I decided I'm about to throw on this boy, window stickers. Just pretty much I'm about to just put my label, my name on it and everything in this video. So stay tuned. Just thank you for watching. Hit that notification bell. And yeah, let's just jump right into this because it's kind of windy out here and I'm not using my GoPro. So. Let me give y'all a walk around this car real quick. Give y'all the code start. So yeah, man, this is a 2014 Dodge Charger SE. It came stock, pretty much everything stock, nothing. It didn't have red calipers, performance brakes. I put on there, remote start. I deleted the mufflers, added the spoiler to it, tinted the tail light tint, put the exhaust tips on it down here. It came with silver chrome rims. Excuse the background noise. It came. I added 18. It was 17s on here, so I put it on 18s. Put some better tires on there with the American racing rims. I got it wrapped. Let me pop the hood for you. Yeah, like I said, I got it wrapped, and then I got an oil catch can right here. TT racer, and then hold everything. I got a bigger throttle body. You can't see that. And that's all I did on the V6. I also got new spark plugs, and I got it tuned. I did a rear differential flush, transmission exchange. Man, I did a lot to this car. This car is so much faster. I got a lot more coming, guys. And yeah, so now I'm about to put these stickers on it. Y'all should leave comments down below and tell me what else I should do for this build I got going on and everything. I'm trying to talk close because it's windy and it's a lot of background noise and everything. So I'm trying to like lean into the camera a little bit. But yeah, I'm about to turn it on. Throw these stickers on it. Alright guys, here go the big reveal of my window stickers. Here it is. I tagged my car up. I got more to come. This is what I got right now. I'm gonna put Instagram, you see Instagram, I'm gonna put Instagram, YouTube, and probably I'll do Facebook right here too. But I did a tag back to the car. YouTube, Twitter. Look how good it came out. Those letters type is impact. Also did this thanks for watching this video, guys. It's another little video of me just doing car mods and doing my own little car thing. So if y'all enjoyed this little car video, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and yeah, stay tuned for the next one. I'll leave in the playlist like of the mods I did, like the last one, the wrap, and what else I did before that, the window tint. I'll leave like all of that stuff like in the playlist, and we only could do one video, so I'll leave one up there and then the rest in the description down below. So that's one. The car is kind of dark. I wanted to make sure y'all see this in the nighttime. This is the other little mods I did. The Dodge Charger on the door. Got the illuminating door still and the blue interior lights to go with it. So yeah, That's all the mods I've done so far, guys. And thank you for watching my channel. Stay tuned for the next video.